different strategies. So for example, Gabii is a Kabilin as an event. It's really just an event to, to jumpstart interest in heritage and culture, arts and culture. And what basically we're doing is that we're pointing out to the visitors that there are actually sites beyond the beach and the major museums. There are also other places that are worth visiting. So what we're doing now is we're also going online. We're tagging the different heritage sites. We're going Google Map, and we're working with some groups now that to put in the data, because what we did was to prepare for this was also research on the different heritage sites. Now what we need to do now is upload all this information. So if you go to a website, which we will put out later on, then you will when you click it will not only give you the information of how, from where you are to this place, how long will it take you, but it also will give you the information like what's the history, what's the significance of this in Cebu. Now this is going to be the basis of people to come in and be interested, because you see the moment today, when you have something online, it triggers the interest now of people. But also, it's not just putting it on the map, but it's really putting in it the precise location. Because that's also another thing. I've checked some information in Google Map, and for example, I found Casa Gorordo being located at Fort San Pedro. No, I mean, for someone who does not know Cebu, and they would think that that's Casa Gorordo. So, these are things that we are doing. We're also through Gabii is a Kabilin. Otherwise, we would not, we would not have done this if, we wanted to have more. And this is actually our support to the tourism industry. No, and our goal is for people to. You see, the more, once you have tourists coming in and interested in what we have, then it also triggers local enterprises. And we've seen a lot of them already in the different activities. So this is, we are institutionalizing some things, but we are also trying to make sure that the information that we upload is also right. So this is not like we just do this overnight and that's it, but this is a work in progress at the same time, because the tagging alone it really takes quite some time and to form the story, because it's we have to have the story. It's good to tag, but also we have to put this together in a nice and neat story, so that eventually people who come to Cebu can just log on to a site and say, okay, I wanted to know the history of Cebu. What was it like during the Second World War? Then it will, there will be places that will be on that map, and they can just go there and even have a picture of what it looked like during in 1945, which there are available archival material, and what it is today, you standing there. So that's the dream, and that's the work that we are doing.